Okay, so we got the support bars made. I did forget to cut the bend point right here, so I'm just gonna mark that out real quick, and I'll cut it with a cutoff wheel once these are a little bit more cleaned up. Not the end of the world. We're gonna go ahead and pull the bandsaw out, cut the T-track, and then we'll start mocking everything up and getting her going. Alright, so my camera died, but I got everything pretty much prepped. What I got going is I got the stand, which is going to end up being in the mount on the CNC table, squared up to the track, I guess you could call it. So we're going to tack this in place, get a couple tacks on each side, kind of up in the top there, get it all happy, and then we'll start working on getting that all mounted and cut slit right so that it'll go up nice and tight to this, and we'll start welding everything together. Alright guys, a little progress update and kind of see what we got going here. So this was all squared up and stuff, and then this is just going to be a support to make sure that this can support all the weight and add strength to the whole system. So we'll plug weld it, then we'll kind of stitch weld on the outside, call it good. Should be alright. We'll do this side and then make the same thing for the other side. Should turn out pretty good. Well guys, it's been a little while here. I did skip quite a bit for you guys. I just went ahead and welded this thing together and got it fit up and everything. I didn't want to bore you too much with that. It was very similar to the other side, just time-lapsed it, did a bunch of welding. No big deal there, but we got her all finished. I texted him to see if he wanted it painted. We will wait to hear from him. I'm going to call it a day for today out in the shop. Get back to it tomorrow. If he wants it painted, we'll go ahead and rough it up and paint it for him. But otherwise, I will put a clip in here of it functioning on the CNC once he gets it up and going. So yeah, we'll check her out real quick. Just a simple stand, support bar, T-track, so he can basically, his suction tube's gonna ride on here, so it'll follow as the CNC moves. The hose will be able to move this way along with pivot this way, so it clears everything. Not my best welds. I definitely am shaky today, but that's alright.